Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to restore WhatsApp chat backup using Google Drive. First, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version. Once you have confirmed the update, head to the account settings by tapping on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and selecting Settings from the drop-down menu. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Chats and then select Chat Backup. In the Chat Backup section, make sure you have selected the correct Google account where your backup is stored. After confirming the account, tap on the Backup button to create a fresh backup if needed. Once the backup is complete, close the WhatsApp application. Now, move to the other device where you want to restore your chat backup. Install the WhatsApp application from the Play Store and open it. Enter your phone number and verify it using the code sent to you via SMS. After verification, you will be prompted to restore your chat backup. Simply tap on the Restore button and wait for the process to complete. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.